Hey everyone, want to design professional looking logos and word marks in seconds? Today let's use Ideogram AI to make it happen. Let's get started. First, visit Ideogram AI and log into your account. Then here in the main screen, click the text bar and this is where you type your prompt. Then in your prompt, describe the logo style, colors, and theme, like this example here. Minimalist modern wordmark logo for a coffee shop named Bean Bloom, warm brown and cream colors, clean sans serif typography. Now, use Ideogram's typography or logo style if available. These settings help you to make a text clean and more readable. Then click Generate and wait for your logo concept to appear. You'll get multiple variations, perfect for experimenting with different looks. Click on your favorite design to enlarge it and use download button to save it. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.